Hey guys, today we are going to be looking at the next generation Ford Ranger Raptor. Now this Ranger is the much anticipated and most capable Ranger yet. So let's go ahead and have a first look and take it around this track right here. Now let's go ahead and check it out. Ford has officially unleashed the next generation Ranger Raptor, and it's ready to dominate the off-road scene once again. Enthusiasts are eagerly anticipating the arrival of this formidable truck, and it boasts a design that commands attention. Just one glance at the new Ranger Raptor, and you can immediately sense its powerful presence. With its bold and aggressive front fascia, muscular fenders, and prominent Raptor grille, this truck exudes a strong presence on and off the road. The side profile still resembles the outgoing model, and there are elements exclusive to the Raptor, like the redesigned faux side vent, rugged stepboard, and Raptor logos throughout. The Ranger Raptor sits on 17-inch alloy wheels with BF Goodrich all-terrain LT 285 70 R17 tires. Interestingly, the rear box steps are absent to make way for higher ground clearance and departure angles. The 2.5-inch Fox shocks with position-sensitive damping technology provides higher damping forces at full jounce to ensure improved control and stability. This allows the vehicle to tackle challenging terrains with greater precision and confidence. For added protection, there's a metal skid plate fitted as standard. Overall, the next-gen design gives it a more purposeful and imposing stance, ensuring it stands out from the Ranger lineup. Step inside and you'll find an interior designed for the true off-road enthusiast. There are well-bolstered performance seats with Alcantara and orange inserts, as well as the Raptor logo embossed below the headrest. The meaty, leather-wrapped steering wheel also gets the Raptor badge, plus a red center mark like in most performance cars. Premium materials create an environment where comfort meets functionality. While advanced infotainment features keep you connected and entertained during your off-road adventures. The large 12-inch portrait screen smacked front and center of the dash has a nice resolution, and you can control most settings here, from the radio to the off-road settings. Thankfully, there are still physical switch gears to control the HVAC system and drive mode selector. The driver, on the other hand, sees a 12.4-inch digital gauge cluster that presents all vehicle information legibly. Being a pickup, utility is still a top priority, so there are tons of storage spaces available throughout the cabin. The spacious cabin offers ample head and legroom for both driver and passengers, but the back seats feel too upright for me. More cargo? No problem, since the rear seats can be folded down or flipped up, revealing more under-seat storage. There are neat touches on the bed as well, which includes a built-in clamp mount, bed lining, 12-volt power outlets with a wall charger input, and a tailgate lift assist for easier bed access. Under the hood, the next generation Raptor houses a 2.0-liter bi-turbo diesel engine that produces 210 horsepower and 500 Nm of torque. This is paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission with e-shifter. Although we don't get the larger V6 gasoline engine, the 2-liter diesel's high output delivers impressive torque, making it effortless driving through the different terrains. During my quick drive around the off-road course, the Ranger Raptor went with flying colors, quite literally as I did a jump on a small slope. It soaked up bumps pretty well, and you wouldn't think you're driving on dirt roads. It felt easy traversing through the dips and bumps thanks to the 360-degree camera with trail guides. This helps you see underneath the vehicle and where your wheels are pointed. Trick stuff! Slide throttle inputs are only required as the truck moves without the sweat. There's also a new trail control which lets you take your foot off the pedal and focus on the steering. Think of it as a cruise control for off-roading. It's clear that this vehicle was built for performance enthusiasts seeking an adrenaline-induced off-road experience. In addition, Ford's latest driver assistance technologies are standard for the Raptor, adding an extra layer of safety and convenience. Whether you're tackling treacherous trails, embarking on an epic adventure, or simply cruising through the city, the next generation Ford Ranger Raptor is ready to conquer it all. Alright guys, that was a first look of the next generation Ford Ranger Raptor. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.